Now the second question is, solve minus 12x greater than 30. The first part, x is a natural number. The second part, x is an integer, right? We have minus 12x greater than 30. You have to keep the term of x on left hand side and the constant on the right hand side, right? Now we divide by minus 12 on both sides. Minus 12 is a negative number, so sign of inequality will change. Here you have greater than, so sign will change to less than. So x will be less than minus 30 by 12, right? So on simplification, divided by 6, we have minus 5 by 2. So x will be less than minus 5 by 2, that is minus 2.5. That means we have x is less than minus 2.5. The first part, x is a natural number. Now natural numbers start from 1. There is no negative natural number, right? So there is no solution because natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, up to so on infinity. And x is less than minus 2.5. So there will be no solution. The second part, x is an integer. But you will have less than minus 2.5. This is minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, up to so on minus infinity. Third question, solve this when x is an integer and when x is an real number. We are given 5x minus 3 less than 7, right? You can either write adding 3 on both sides, or simply we are solving like this, 5x less than minus 3 will go here and it will become positive. This is 7 plus 3. So 5x is less than 10. That means x is less than 2. So what will you have? X is an integer. Less than 2 integer will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, comma, up to so on minus infinity. And if it is a real number, how will you write? Just look here. Suppose this is your number line. This is 0. You have done this topic in chapter number 1. Set. We have minus 1, minus 2. Now for real, less than 2, we have an open circle here. All the real number which are less than 2. I am shading this portion, right? You have, that means this arrow will also be included. Less than 2, but 2 is not included. That's why I have taken the open circle at 2. So what is your answer? Minus infinity to 2. I think this is clear to everyone. Next question. Question number 5. You have to, from 5 to 16. You have to solve all the questions from for the real value of x. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7, right? So we shift the term of x on left hand side and constant to the right hand side. We have 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. So minus x is less than 4. Negative, if we multiply by minus 1 on both sides, we have to remove this negative sign. We'll write multiply by minus 1 on both sides. What will we have? The sign of inequality will change. Here less than, so we have greater than. Now greater than minus 4. So what you will write? Minus 4 to infinity. Just look here. Right? This is 0. Suppose you have 1, 2. Like I have minus 1. Then minus 2. Then minus 3, then minus 4, then minus 5. Right? What you have? Greater than minus 4, but minus 4 is not included. If it is not included, we have an open circle and we have an open bracket here. Greater than minus 4. All the real number which are greater than minus 4. So this is your answer. And this arrow up for infinity is also included. And here I have taken the open circle because minus 4 is not included. So how will you write for the real? In interval form, minus 4 to infinity. Next question number 7. Again similar type question. 3 into x minus 1 less than equal to 2 into the x minus 3. So on simplification, this is 3x minus 3 less than equal to 2x minus 6. Now shift this term to left hand side. 3x minus 2x will be less than equal to minus 6 plus 3. So x is less than equal to minus 3. Less than or equal to. all the real numbers which are less than or equal to minus 3. So how will you write? माइनस इन्फिनिटी और प्लस इन्फिनिटी पे आपकी हमेशा ओपन ब्रैकेट रहेंगी बेटा. एंड हेयर इफ यू लुक फ्रॉम द number line, just look here. This is 0, 1, 2. If I write here minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3, then minus 4, greater than, less than, equal to, right? Suppose if I suppose I am extending this line here. This is minus 3, then I am writing here minus 4, then write here minus 5. Now less than equal to minus 3, that means minus 3 is included. So we have a dark circle at minus 3. All the real number which are less than equal to minus 3. So that means this is your answer. You will write from lower to higher value in interval form. This is minus infinity, and there will be always open bracket at minus infinity and plus infinity. So this is minus infinity to close bracket at minus 3.